Yo, check this out. Chuck D, Public Enemy #1, giving a shout out to PAGER crew. That's right, keeping it live right here in Poland, Warsaw.
The streets are empty, they're white and cold. I can't sleep tonight, I'm cruising alone in the city that I'm living in, experienced by time full of citizens. Since this story begins, Freeport intersection, I'm the next one that share my work and my affections. The Wilson Square is the station that I enter, 2 minutes away and I'm in the city center. One of the coldest winters. Look over there, that's the guy who's playing his music on the wooden chair. The pulse of culture is the captivity statue, the evidence of war, a political tattoo. What is new? It lights up the surrounding region, different color every night like a chameleon. I'm going down to the Dagall palm tree, it reminds me of Cali, you can smell weed.
So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets.
The mermaid handling a sword and a shield, the spirit of the city when it was a battlefield. Divide Warsaw into words, war and sword changed their places. Now you really know how it was. Some people remember Warsaw totally ruined after wars. Paul started drinking percentage fluids. I'm on the one of the 9 coast connecting bridges, almost become deaf when a train passes it. Take a hit on the west coast of the river. Sunset at Vistula, #1 place to consider. Too cold to be the winner, so up to the old town near the royal castle. B-boys just dancing around. Can barely see the crown of King III Sigismund. He stands on the column under which people meet and smoke blunts. Without destination or a plan, boy, you've gotta live here to see and understand. What up?
So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets.
The old town market with the mermaid inside. Next step that shows the city woke up from a dark night. I represent the underground voice and life like the people who lost it to an unfair fight. Black Roman on my side, New York streets most visible. Craziest dude, Warsaw's human being symbol. It feels so right to sit here drinking beer, looking at these places. I partly belong here, no fear, tears, cause real Warsaw was destroyed. Only Prague still looks like it did before. What's beautiful is this amazing history. No other city in Europe would have a chance to compete. We will handle the gravity. Sooner or later, we had nothing after war, now we having skyscrapers. The city had a nightmare, now I wish it had a dream. Like I do, traveling home with the 116.
So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me, Warsaw City. Open your eyes before you visit the streets. So come along with me.